Have you ever wondered why the people in ancient sculptures look so fit and healthy? Back in those times, there were no gyms, protein powders, or crash diets. Yet, people still had stronger, healthier bodies. What could the secret be? The answer lies in a centuries-old, balanced way of eating, the Mediterranean diet. This way of eating, traditionally followed in countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain, is now considered one of the healthiest diets by modern science. It's not just great for weight loss, but also for heart health, preventing chronic diseases and promoting longevity. The Mediterranean diet is rich in vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, whole grains, and natural protein sources, while staying far away from processed foods and added sugars. In an age where fast food culture and high-sugar diets are so common, the Mediterranean diet offers a refreshing and sustainable alternative. But how exactly is it followed? What foods does it include? And why is it so effective in promoting health? Let's dive into the secrets of the Mediterranean diet and explore why it's been revered for centuries. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a popular eating trend. It's a long-term lifestyle choice that has been proven to improve health and longevity. This diet is based on fresh, whole foods, and it promotes a balanced approach to eating that helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. It's centered on natural ingredients, with a focus on seasonal fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. A key component of the Mediterranean diet is olive oil, a primary source of healthy monounsaturated fats. Olive oil is known for its heart-healthy properties, helping to reduce bad cholesterol levels, protect against cardiovascular diseases, and reduce inflammation in the body. It's one of the essential fats that contribute to the overall health benefits of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, is another staple. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in maintaining heart health, supporting brain function, and reducing inflammation. Eating fish twice a week, as recommended by the Mediterranean diet, is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Vegetables and fruits are also foundational in the Mediterranean diet. Leafy greens, tomatoes, and other colorful fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that support a strong immune system, digestive health, and skin health. These foods also help regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and keep you feeling full longer thanks to their high fiber content. Whole grains are preferred over refined grains. Foods like quinoa, oats, and brown rice offer more nutrients, fiber, and vitamins than processed grains like white bread and pasta. Whole grains help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, and support heart health. They are also beneficial for weight management due to their high fiber content, which helps control appetite and improve digestion. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are also commonly consumed in the Mediterranean diet. These foods are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which contribute to improved heart health and reduced inflammation. However, due to their calorie density, it's recommended to eat them in moderation. Unlike many modern diets, the Mediterranean diet encourages mindful eating. Meals are typically social events, eaten slowly and enjoyed in good company. This approach not only enhances the dining experience, but also helps the body recognize when it's full, preventing overeating. Portion control is emphasized, and smaller meals throughout the day are preferred. The Mediterranean diet is also low in processed foods and added sugars. Instead of sugary snacks and refined carbohydrates, it focuses on natural foods. Sweet cravings are satisfied with fresh fruits, which provide natural sweetness along with essential nutrients. This helps to prevent the risk of developing metabolic issues, such as type 2 diabetes. Red meat is consumed sparingly in the Mediterranean diet, replaced by lean proteins like chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins such as legumes and beans. This reduces the intake of saturated fats, which are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. By prioritizing plant-based and lean animal proteins, the Mediterranean diet promotes a healthier, more sustainable approach to eating. The Mediterranean diet is not just a diet, but a lifestyle that promotes long-term health and well-being. By focusing on fresh, natural foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins, it helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases while supporting heart and brain health. Embracing this way of eating can lead to improved vitality, longevity, and overall wellness. It's not about restriction, but enjoying food in a balanced, mindful way for a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and advice.